So for this video, we're out here and we're gonna try to fix or make this lawn cart a bit better. There's nothing exactly wrong with it, but it is rusted, it is old, and it needs some care. This thing's been beaten to crap, so I'm gonna see how we can reinforce it with some steel, maybe do some welding, definitely sand it down, get a new coat of paint on there. So yeah, let's do a quick little project. So I'm noticing a lot of the wiggling is coming from bad support. It's just a lawn cart, it's not a big idea. But I got this square tube, 1/16 1 inch, that would fit down here and it would fold up. If I cut off this tab, I can run it up here and then at least support one side, if not both. I have to have this bottom piece supported. It's bolted over here, not over here. And whatever weld they did isn't sticking, so I can run a bead in there just to hold it together. That should help it. Suck the wheel in. That's pretty close. Just gotta shave a little bit. There it is. That'll help it from waving in and out a little bit. So this is the end of the cart restoration. We used some bolts here with some nuts here, ran it down, used 2 cans of spray paint, and it actually holds a lot stronger now that we reinforced the entire thing. It's a lot quieter too. This was all bouncing around. All the bolts before were just sheet metal screws. So these are bolts tightened down with these nuts. And the washers I used, they're definitely working. This side I didn't add any reinforcement, but this side I did. I didn't even screw it, but it holds in there pretty well. I still can shoot a screw through that and hold it. So there's a fun day project for you, something to save you a couple bucks, just a bit of elbow grease, a little bit of sanding, that's all. Thanks for watching.